This right here is the Bostitch 3-hole punch, which has made my life so incredibly easy and efficient, and I'm going to show you how. So here's where you're going to stick the paper, and then here is where you adjust, the sizing of your paper, whether it's letter, legal, so on and so forth. You line up your paper like so, and then I'm gonna have to go like that, and you press this button here, and voila, you have a 3-hole punch. It can do multiple sheets at a time for ease of lining up and efficiency. Super easy. You just plug it in. No batteries required. I love it. Makes my life easy.